Hello techies. Before diving into agentic automation, first establish a solid understanding of traditional automation or robotic process automation (RPA). What is RPA? Traditional automation or robotic process automation refers to software robots or bots programmed to mimic the exact actions a human takes on a computer to complete specific repetitive tasks. Think of RPA as a digital worker that follows a strict step by step checklist. It performs exactly what it is told, never gets tired, and works 24 by 7. However, unlike advanced AI agents, it cannot think, improvise, or handle ambiguity on its own. RPA involves using software, often enhanced with basic artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning capabilities, to handle high volume, repeatable tasks that previously required human intervention. These tasks typically include queries, calculations, and maintenance of records and transactions. In simple words, RPA allows organization to automate tasks exactly as human would interact across various applications and systems. The primary goal of RPA is to replace repetitive, boring clerical tasks performed by humans with a virtual workforce. Importantly, RPA does not require the development of new code, nor does typically require direct backend access to the database. It works through the user interface. Alright, what are the common examples do you have for the RPA? RPA is the best suited for high volume, repeated tasks where human must move data between systems that do not communicate with each other. First one, invoices. A bot opens an email attachment, reads the total due field from the standard PDF form, and types the number into the accounting system like SAP or QuickBooks. This is one of the examples for RPA. Second one, employee onboarding. When a new hire is added to the HR software, a bot automatically triggers workflows to create their email account, add them to the Slack channels, and order their security badge. This is the common example for RPA. The third one is the migration, where we are going to moving thousands of customer records from an old database to the new CRM by copy pasting them one by one. These are the common use cases which we are having for the RPA. Alright, now we'll see what are the benefits of RPA. RPA helps digitally transform businesses by unlocking shareholder value and improving the experience for both employees and customer. First one, high quality services. Fewer mistakes and errors leads to the better customer services, which is the best benefit of the RPA. Second benefit, greater compliance. Business processes operate strictly in accordance with the existing regulations and standards. Third benefit, increased speed. By this benefit, we can processes are completed at unprecedented speeds by reducing handling time significantly. Next benefit, increased agility. We are going to reduce overhead and the ability to easily accommodate new or changing process rules. Next benefit, comprehensive insights, which improved efficiency through the digitization and auditing of process data. Next benefit, reduced cost. Manual or repetitive tasks are carried out by the software at the fraction of their cost of human labor. Next benefit, employee experience. Removing mundane manual work allows staff to focus on more interesting tasks, increase productivity, and reducing attrition. These are the main benefits which we have for the RPA. Now we'll see what are the leading RPA tools in the market. Robotic automation platform operate and orchestrate other application software through the existing applications user interface. We are having some of the most robust, widely supported platforms suitable for large-scale enterprise automation. One is UiPath, Microsoft Power Automate. Third one, Automation Anywhere. Fourth one, SSA and Blue Prism. Let me explain you one by one about these tools. First one, UiPath. This is the most complete ecosystem. This tool is excellent for both developers and business users. This tool having massive community support and strong AI agent capabilities. Next one, Microsoft Power Automate. If we use Windows and Office 365, this is the default choice of the RPA tool, which are often included in the existing licenses. It integrates natively with Excel, Outlook, and SharePoint. Another tool, Automation Anywhere. This tool is a web-based cloud-native platform, which is extremely strong in document automation or processing invoice or forms and easy for diverse teams to collaborate on. Next RPA tool, that is SS and C Blue Prism. This is the Fort Knox tool of RPA. This tool having less flexible than UiPath but preferred by the banks and governments for its rigid security, audit trails and governance. Alright, I hope you understand what is traditional automation or robotic process automation as part of this tutorial.